In this tutorial, we want to learn a couple of simple arrangements of House of the Rising Sun. We already know all the chords, so we might as well get some practice playing them by doing a fun song. The list of chords goes like this. A minor is first up. So play an A minor chord, strum it, then mute, play the next chord, which is C major. Mute that, then get ready for the next one, which is D major. Stop that, then go to the F major. Mute that. Now, at this point, we're going to go back to our A minor. Then, repeat also with our C major. This time, however, we're going to go to an E major. That's the fifth and final different chord that we'll have to know. Strum the E major chord again. Then we start the whole progression over again at A minor. Then C major. Then D major. Then F major. This time we end a little differently. A minor. Miss the C and go straight to the E major. Then the whole thing starts again. Notice that what I did was I strummed each chord from its root note, from its lowest bass string, all the way across. Then I muted it, got ready for the next chord. Each time, one after the other. It's a good list of chords. Practice them over and over again until you get comfortable with changing them and muting them. And then start again. You'll notice that the backing track is in 6/8. That means that you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You count 6 over and over again. You'll hear a hi-hat count in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tick, 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 tick. That tells you, of course, how fast it is and when you're supposed to start. The first time through the backing track, what you'll hear is simply the hi-hat keeping time, tick and tick, and you'll hear a bass playing a single note that signifies the root note. So you'll hear an A, boom, when you're supposed to be strumming that A minor. Then it goes up to a C, boom, then D. So it plays the bass note of the chord that you're supposed to be playing at the time, gives you a little bit of clue as to when that's supposed to happen and what it should sound like, so that if you're off, you'll notice it pretty quickly. Also, after it goes through the entire cycle once, then there's a little drum fill, and then the entire band, the organ comes in with that stereotypical sound that you've heard in House of the Rising Sun before. So, what you want to do is you want to practice that list of chords over and over again until you get comfortable with them. Get comfortable strumming them and strumming them in time. Then you want to try it with the backing track. Let's give it a try.